So you know you need to be creating the kind of social media content that helps you stand out from your competition and attract your ideal clients. It's not always easy for wordy mamas like us who just really like sitting behind the computer and typing away with all the words. Fiverr and Upwork haven't really done us any favors. You don't have a huge ads budget, and those cold DMs and email scripts, spammy, salesy, slimy. Nobody told you it was going to be this hard to actually start landing clients as a freelance copywriter. What do you got to do? Go live every single day and spend 24/7 on social media? Play the numbers game, just hoping and praying you actually manage to get to the right people at the right time with the right information? Be some kind of marketing or social media visibility guru? Heck no! You just need a simple, sustainable plug-and-play client acquisition system. If you're a freelance copywriting mama who wants to land more clients and wants a steady stream of leads that you can nurture when you need more clients or slow down when you don't, then you need the Simple Success System. The Simple Success System is my brand new free live event where you get my entire client acquisition system broken down into bite-sized trainings that you can put to work inside your business right now. And once you have it all set up, you can run it in just 30 minutes or less a day. Landing freelance copywriting clients shouldn't have to be so hard. This will work for you even if you don't have a ton of time, you've got little kids running around your feet, and somebody's streaking through the dining room with no clothes on every 5 minutes. We're starting right away Monday morning, August 21st. For this first round only, it's free for anyone who signs up. All the trainings, all the resources, and 10 days of live accountability with me. Click the link in the bio to register now.